How to use Samsung's secure folder. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to use Samsung's secure folder. Let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to do is go to Settings. From the Settings menu, all you have to do now is find your privacy settings. Go ahead and tap on Settings, Security and Privacy. From your privacy settings, you need to go ahead and go to more security settings down below. And then here you can find secure folder. Tap on it. Now from here at the top you can see your secure folders, lock and biometrics. You can select what you want your secure folder security to be, whether it's your PIN or fingerprint. Then you can also select when to auto lock your secure folder. So you can do it after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes, or even when after screen turns off. You can also do when phone restarts. After doing that, you can find the notification section. You can have an option to show content or hide content. It's preferred to click on and select hide content. Once that is done, you can go ahead and select the apps section. Tap on it. You'll be taken to your secure folder apps, and you can easily access all of the apps from here. If you want, you can also add apps to your secure folder as well. And once everything is done, you should have an option for more settings, like you have an option to manage your data usage, as well as to uninstall secure folder. So that is basically it, guys. These are some of the settings you need to know about secure folder. If you found this helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.